Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur the background. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To blur the background of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use the Gaussian blur effect, along with masking to ensure only the background gets blurred while keeping the subject in focus. So once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro app on your computer, alright, I want you to click the specific part of the clip that you wanted to be blurred. For example, in this case, this one right here, I wanted to blur this part right here. So what I'm going to do right here is press the Alt key on your computer, and then I'm gonna copy this right here, and by holding Alt and then click the arrow, you would have now two clips of the video. All right, so what I'm going to do is we're going to isolate these two clips right here. All right, and the bottom part is we can shrink the first image. All right, select that and use the dragging tool to make it a little bit like this. All right, and then after that, I want you to select the bottom clip and then go to the effects section. If you can't find the effects, go to the window, click the effects right here, type in blur. For example, we're going to be using Gaussian blur. Drag it to the second clip at the bottom. All right, now this is going to be the section where we can edit the Gaussian blur. Just click the drag the blurriness into anything that you wanted to appear that the background will be blurred. Once you've done that, as you can see, if you play it, you should have an option to blur the background, which is kind of amazing, right? Because for one, blurring the background helps the viewer's eyes focus on the primary subject on the video, ensuring they aren't distracted by what's going on behind them. It creates a depth of field effect that mimics the professional photography and cinematography, where the subjects stand out sharply from the blurred backdrop. Using the blurred background can make an otherwise busy or cluttered setting look more aesthetically pleasing, helping the viewers, of course, focus on the distraction. It creates a very cohesive look, and if the background contains distracting elements like people, objects, or busy patterns, blurring helps reduce the distractions, keeping the eyes focused on the content you want to showcase. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.